What's up, everybody? I'm Alex.
I'm Ingrid.
And we're Encrypted Couple, your sexy crypto couple. And today we want to talk to you about Substratum. Now, this is a really awesome project, and their token is on the Ethereum blockchain.
Super exciting.
And it is honestly so exciting, especially in the midst of all of this, fuss about net neutrality and website traffic being throttled and all of these things.
And not to be a conspiracy theorist or anything, but we have already noticed that our computer's been running a little bit slower. We're not sure if you guys have noticed that, but we're definitely kind of noticing some changes since that's come to pass.
About a week ago, they voted on net neutrality, and they decided that they wanted to slow down network traffic on the internet and basically make it so that companies had to pay to get the same amount of traffic that they were already getting. That's pretty messed up, and Substratum is here to change that. And it's really, really cool because Substratum offers so many things that all of us want when we're browsing the internet already. And the cool thing is that you won't even need a special browser. So you can keep using Chrome or Brave or whatever browser that you're using. You won't need to download a new browser in order to use the Substratum network. And so what this allows you to do is it allows you to basically visit websites without using Tor, like the Onion router, completely securely.
It encrypts all your information, so you don't have to worry about anything.
Your IP address is being hidden, your information is being hidden, and so that's something that we all want, really. And we want it with ease of use. We don't want to have to use some kind of special plugin or some kind of special, browser.
Have to figure out how to download something, which one's working, which one's not, when to switch.
Yeah, and so Substratum is here for us. And another thing it allows us to do is get around this whole net neutrality thing. So instead of companies having to pay huge amounts of money to get that web traffic that they wanted, they actually pay little microtransactions per user. And so it's on a per user basis. And so basically what happens, someone decides to host data or their website or video or whatever on the Substratum network, and they basically pay a small fee to the node every time someone wants to visit their site. And so then the node sends the content from the host to the user. And it's some really exciting stuff.
Fascinating.
And honestly, we are looking to get in on one of these nodes because the internet is huge. People want to use it whenever they want to use it. They don't want the traffic to get slowed down. And I think that Substratum in 2018 is just going to be on fire.
And one thing I really like about Substratum is they have this crypto pay option. So you can convert your crypto and pay, and then you can also convert it to different currencies. So that's really, really handy. I think a lot of the biggest pushback we get is, how are you going to spend all this money you're going to make? How are you going to take it out?
How are you going to spend your crypto? How are you going to spend your Bitcoin?
And we have ways, but there's always ways to improve on that and make it more efficient and easier. And so what'll be nice is having that crypto pay on these Substratum hosts and being able to use that to pay and convert currency. But I did have a question about the nodes. Is there a minimum number of coins you need? Because I know that's a lot of the times around 10,000.
So get this, the minimum amount of coins you need is exactly at 0. So you need 0 coins to run a node, which honestly is revolutionary. Almost every single cryptocurrency where you can run a node, you need some coins. Most of them you need some coins.
And not a little bit of coins. Like I said, 10,000 is kind of a number
that would be
that's thrown out there a lot.
$10,000 right now. If you were, Substratum's right around $1. So you don't need a single coin to run a node, but you will earn coins by running a node, which is pretty genius. And in the end, that is ultimate adaptability. If you can just instantly get your computer to start making money for you, and if you have a Windows, Mac, or Linux, then you're good. And that's all you need. 2018, you will be able to run a node, you will be able to help decentralize the internet, and you'll be able to do that with Substratum.
And that's the awesome thing, being able to be a part of this from your own computer, and you don't need to be a computer programmer, a software engineer. And that's another thing we hear a lot of the times, well, how hard is it, or what do you have to do? And this is something it's very, very, very simple, and you can be a part of a revolution and helping other people and make that paper, baby, because in the end, who doesn't like to make that paper? And when I say paper, that wallet paper.
Everybody does.
Your ledger.
Ease of use, they really take that seriously at Substratum. And so basically what they're doing is they made their cryptocurrency divisible only 100 times. So there's only 2 decimal points. And so basically it's kind of like dollars and cents, where the dollar is the substratum and then the cents are the atoms. So if you had 1.1 substratum, you would have 1 substratum and then 10 atoms. So it's really interesting, really easy to wrap your head around if you're new to crypto. And honestly, I think this is going to be a very exciting project leading into the next year. And another thing we want to announce is the giveaway of
Smart
yesterday's
Cash, baby.
video. It was EK on YouTube. And we sent you your Smart Cash this morning. You can check your wallet.
Check your wallet, baby.
And make sure y'all leave your Smart Cash addresses in the bottom with a thoughtful comment related to the video showing us that you watched it. That would be dope.
Yeah, you do have to
So-
watch the video to get the free crypto, okay? It is kind
Yeah.
of a part of the deal here, you know, a symbiotic relationship.
And make sure you follow us on Steemit, subscribe here on YouTube, and we'll see you in the next video.